Hey everyone, so I'm continuing with my neon and I used this color right here. Doing green today. I'm doing green because I want to use the same brushes. The yellow has a green tint, so I just decided to go with green. I'm going to use hot green. And the black. All you need to do is dab it. Let's see, because black is very strong. People say that black is an unforgiving color. I find red to be unforgiving. But, use a little bit at a time and then blend it. I have a NYX, I had a NYX powder, face powder, like the e.l.f. one. It's pink and light blue and green and yellow. But it made my skin look too white. It had a white that was frosty, and I didn't want that all over my face, so I kind of crushed it out and just mixed the other colors with my face powder. Anyway, that's what I'm going to use for my highlight. Just gonna go in here, take out that black. Just put a little more in there of the green. And I'm just gonna use, black mascara liner, finish my makeup, and I'll be right back. Hey everyone, so this is the finished look. I'm crazy. I had to put on my Key Lime lipstick from NYX. What's the point of buying these things if you don't wear them? I think 1 month I actually wore this outside. I think I put like some gold in it or something to make it a little bit more wearable, but it's not wearable. Anyway, I forgot to put primer on my eyes, and so the eyeshadow looks like it's a little bit patchy. But also last year I had a 30% off my entire purchase at CVS, and I have been eyeing these for maybe 2 years when they came out in LA. I think it was LA Girl. And so I got them all at CVS, and they were 30% off. And last week, and one of the reasons I bought it was specifically when I do my neon looks, and I forgot to use my yellow last week, so I used it today in the inner corners, or last time anyway. I'm a little disappointed because these look like they were very pigmented, but you can barely see it in my waterline, so I'm not really sure what's going on with that. So yeah,